In this video, I'm going to talk to you about equations that have fractions in them. For example, here's an equation. 2/3 of some number plus 5 is 6. Now, let's say we don't want to use that fraction. If we want to get rid of that fraction, there's an easy way to do it. All we have to do is multiply through by 3. So we multiply this 2/3 by 3, we multiply 5 times 3, and we multiply 6 times 3. All right, so I'll put a little 3 out here on the side. And let's say I multiplied 2/3 times 3. That gives me just 2x plus 5 times 3 is 15 equals 6 times 3 is 18. Now it's just a simple equation to solve. The inverse of positive 15 is negative 15. So I subtract 15 on both sides. Then I have 2x equals 3. And I simply divide through by 2. And I find that x equals 3/2. Now, you could have subtracted 5 from both sides and then divided through by 2/3. That would have been a fine way to do it, and you would have gotten the same answer. But it's just an easy way to get rid of the fraction if you multiply through by the denominator. Now let me show you another one. Let's say we have a problem that has 2 fractions in it. Okay? So let's say we have 1/4 of some number plus, let's say, 2/3, and let's say it equals 3. All right? Well, we have to multiply through by the common denominator. And in this case, to find the common denominator, we multiply these two denominators together. 4 times 3 is 12. And I'll just put that here to the side. All right, here's how we accomplish this. I say 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. And I put down the x. Plus 2/3 of 12. Well, 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2/3 of 12 is 8. Now I multiply 12 times 3, and that's 36. And now again, it's just a simple matter of solving the equation. Minus 8 on both sides. 3x, 3 times some number, equals 28. And then I divide through by 3 on both sides. And x equals, well, 28 divided by 3 is 8 is 9. 9 is 27 with a remainder of 1, so 1/3. So the answer is x equals 9 and 1/3.